Okay, it's a beautiful day, very nice and hot. Just went to the banking machine to get some money, so let me see here. Let me see here. So I just got some money, and I'm gonna pick up a few things, regular things. So let me show you what the Canadian dollar, Canadian $5 look like. That's Canadian $5. See, it said Canadian right there, and the maple leaf logo. That's $5 Canadian. $5 Canadian. And this is what the $10 look like. It's a $10 Canadian bill. $10. And the person here is it's a black lady. Okay. And there's a history about the black lady. In America, when the slavery was going on, this lady, she rebelled against the um, the people that were enslaving her, and she ran away from America to Canada, right? And she was rescued by the Canadian government. So there's a history, um, you know, and there was a lot of black people follow her after. Okay, and that's the $50 bill. So 50 Canadian, 10 Canadian, 10 Canadian, 10 Canadian, 10 Canadian, 5 Canadian, 5 Canadian. So you tell me how much that is. Yeah, it's Canadian dollar. All right. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna go in the store and grab something. It's a very nice day. It's pretty warm and nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. And the breeze is nice. And it's very busy out here. People going about their business, doing shopping. You can take a look at the outside. See, take a look on the outside. And the sun is shining. Spectacular. Very nice. Okay. Thank you guys. Dodge Ram 4x4. Hey guys, so I'm at Ikea. You can see the flag over there. Ikea, the big sign up there. So I'm gonna go into Ikea and see what I can find in there. I have something in mind that I wanna look for. I'm in the parking lot. It's a big parking lot. So they have like the division of D and E, and I'm parking in B. I'm in the B section. So big parking lot. It's nice and beautiful weather. Beautiful weather. Beautiful afternoon. Oh, such a beautiful weather. Nice day. IKEA parking lot. Parking lot, guys. So I'm going over IKEA to do a little shopping. So you can find it here. Nice parking lot. The highway is over there to my left. Yeah, pick up a few little things that I need in the store over there. Guys, beautiful day. You can see the flag. You can see the flag flying over there. Nice. It's a big store. They have all kind of stuff over there. A lot of stuff. All kind of stuff for household. whatever. So we're gonna go over there. There's apartment building down there. Huge high rise. The highway there. Beautiful day. It's really nice and sunny. Lots of nice cars. Nice cars everywhere. See the sign over there, see the Ikea. Yes, what they have. Very nice. Go ahead.
Appena continua assim, eu vou querer, quando eu chegar no aeroporto, de caminho. Eu entro primeiro e saio primeiro. Você acha?
Sai por último.
Você
sai por último. Você entra primeiro, mas sai por último.
Aí papai fica nervoso. Sai por último.
Nice chair. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice.
Yeah. Who knows?
It's nice. Coffee table. $39.99. Coffee table. $39.99. Nice. Nice coffee table. Nice chairs. Ledger. Nice chairs. Nice chairs. Department. Check over here. Let's see what they have down there. Different department. Yeah. It's nice. Trash. Like, TV and that. You can put your TV in that house. So, price. What's the price? 30, 34, 3, oh, 349. 349. It's a nice color too. Nice color. 349. Very busy. Busy place every day. Very busy. Yes, okay. Stairs. Sure, you can put all your stuff there. Books and whatever. Tables, tables. Different types. Round tables and square tables. Decks. Tables and decks. Tables and decks. Mats and rugs. Carpet rugs and mats. Carpet rugs and mats. Where do I find like sheets?
Sheets.
Yeah, like bed sheets, stuff like that.
We don't have bed sheets. We have fitted cover and like two-way cover. Fitted sheet
No,
and
no bed sheets.
no.
So you don't have things like something like a half a sheet you can cover with, like when it's cold, you can sit down and cover with. You don't have those things.
Like throws.
No, like a mini sheet. Like I bought it here before.
You can check in the textile. Just go straight and make right turn from there.
Go straight
Yeah.
and make it right. You have it here, and you don't know the exact spot. I know they have what I'm looking for, but when you don't have the exact spot, it's kind of hard to find. Let me see this. I'm looking for something like this. Something like this I'm looking for. Let me see how big is this. So this is what I'm looking. This one is like $9.99 Ikea or a low price. Okay. This one $49.99. I like this one. This feels good. This one $59.99. You know, like sometimes you just relaxing and you just have this and just cover when it's chilly, cold. Just put it over your feet. This is nice stuff. This one is nice. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them down here. Down here, different colors. Pink, $59.99. Ooh, and this one here, these are thick ones, 69. These are thick, 69. I like this color. It's on special, 39. I don't like the color, but it's nice. It's pretty soft and nice. This one, 29.99. This one, 29. Same, nice and soft. Nice and soft. Okay. Is it like sleeping bags? Yeah, sleeping bags. Mm, sleeping bags. How much for the sleeping bags? $34.99. $34.99. Sleeping bags. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna get this one here. Two. I'm gonna get this one. This one on special. I'm gonna get this one. Two, $9.99. So I get one and two. Get two. Those two. Okay. All right. Light, warm. Oh, these are the same thing. Okay. I find what I was looking for, guys. So I'm in Ikea, and when I exit now, my way back out. Okay. So let me make I go back this way. Exit. Go back this way. How do I find my way back to the elevator now, please?
Elevator.
Yeah,
If you go back through here, just make a right.
back that way, make a right. Thank you so much. Thank you. That is where you make a right. Okay. And make a right. Back this way and make a right. Should be this way. Excuse me. Okay, back this way and make a right. Elevator. Okay. Excuse me. I'm looking for my way to the cashier.
Yep, you go this way straight to the very end and then take the left.
Thank you. I'm getting lost in here all the time. All the way and make a left. I'm looking for a cashier. This cart is so stubborn. When you push the cart, it's going one way and you're going another way. It's not proper. Okay. Go straight and make a left. So let's see. So it's gonna be this way. Okay, guys. So checked out now. Ikea. Okay. Welcome to Ikea, guys. You can find me at Life with Kenny underscore capital G. Don't remember to subscribe, share, and give the video a like, and to hit the notification bell. Nice cheer. Our low price. Cashier. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. I'm paying by cash. Excuse me, I'm paying by cash. Cash is way over there. Over there? Okay, thank you. Cash way over there. Way over there. This side here. Cash is over here. Ikea. I haven't been here in a long time. Check out. And I need to use the washroom too. Okay, let me okay, so I'm all done now guys. Finish shopping, check through. Here's my receipt. So my receipt is $22.58. 22.58 for both of them. 22.58 for both. Let me exit. 22.58. 22.58. All done. Finish my shopping. Okay. So one and two. Parking B. Parking B. Somewhere down here. This side. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut the video here again. Here, I'm gonna go inside the restaurant there, get some food. Not doing any cooking tonight. Caribbean kitchen, Spotlight Caribbean kitchen. That's where I'm going to get something to eat. See what they have there. Well, it's my favorite place. I come here all the time. Get my food. Okay. Spotlight Caribbean kitchen. See what they have here. Okay. No fried dumpling? Oh, yeah. Those lunch special dinner? Those lunch special, small one. Can I have your jerk chicken? Yeah, so can I have jerk chicken rice and peas? Veggies on it. And nice fish. Give me some hot scale gravy. And let me have two fried dumplings, please. Yeah. Okay. Nice, nice. Yes, guys. So I just pick up my food. So I get some fried dumpling and some jerk chicken and fried dumpling. You know, a lady in the white car next to me. She sit in the white car and she have a baby in the back seat in the parking lot. She have a baby in the back seat and the baby sit there and you know it's hot. It's about 24-degree right now. And so I walk up to her and I said, you know, isn't it too hot for the baby? She said, yeah, she know, but she's about to leave now. And you could see the little child, she rubbing the child head and stuff like that. I don't think it's fair to sit in the parking lot in the sun with a little child in there so hot. It's better if she turn on the air condition, turn the car engine on and turn on the air condition. Now she's sitting in the front. See, she's drinking something. She's sitting in the front and the baby in the back. The window is down, but it's still really hot in the car. Wow. What do you think, guys? Because I know that many people, many children died because of that, you know, and she still sit there in the car and talking to the child in the back and the poor child there, you know. It's terrible. It's not right. I told her, I said to her, it better if you turn the back of the car facing the sun, because the way she parked the car, the sun is shining right on the um the driver's side, and this is where the sun. Okay, bye. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. She left now. She left now. There she goes in the white car. There, man. Yeah. So she was there in the car, sitting there, and the little child in the back seat, and it's so hot. It's about 29-degree, and the little baby is in the back seat sitting down. And at one time, she sat down with the little child in the back. The little child looked like about 3.5 to 4 years old. And I said to her, "Isn't it too hot for the baby in the car?" She parked in the parking lot in the sun, and the engine is not running. And she rubbing the baby head. I don't know. And I said to her, something, it's better if you turn the car around, like the back of the car facing where the sun is coming from. At least it may be a little better. But she sat on this passenger side, no, the driver's side, and the child is on the driver's side, and the sun is shining on the driver's side as well. Not fear for the child, because there are a lot of children that died because of that right here in Canada. And sometimes they plead that to them on the news that you should never leave your children or your child in the car on a hot day. And they do that several times, and sometimes even the dog. And sometimes people have to break the window to take out the child or the dog, and they can get charged for it because it's not, police charge them in several occasions. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go home now. I'm gonna eat my jerk chicken and my fried dumpling. So remember to subscribe. Remember, when you subscribe, that's the way you support me. And when you subscribe, it's for free, doesn't cost you anything. And remember to give the video a like and to please leave a comment and hit the notification bell so when I upload new video, you will get the notification. Thank you for your love and your support wherever you are. And remember, you can find me at Life with Kenny underscore capital G. And enough love to you all. Okay, guys? Thanks. Bye.